Okay, good morning. Good Monday morning. We're trading 1076.75 up about 5.5, 6 points on the SPOOs. Euro is trading up about 60 points. Has been as much as 70 or so. So everything again, Monday morning gap up. The world didn't crash over the weekend, so we get the usual Monday gap up. However, what I've done here is I've shown a we've gone from a 60-day or 3-month chart out to a 6-month chart on a daily look here that you can take a look at. And again, you can see our lows for the past 6 months are now 1070. We have broken below the 3-month lows, or at least come down to touch those, and those were again around 1062. Here was actually the 3-month low right here in early December. So we hit 1066 on Friday, and maybe coming back to that 1060 area. That 1060 area, real simply, you can see the reason why I said 1040 to 1060 looks in our cards is the 50 to 61 line is right here between again on the 6-month chart. So we're coming into that range. Again, we're going to bounce around. This 1080 number is a big number. That's why we're trading up to it again this morning. We're going to have a lot of difficulties up to that 1090 number. That's why that 1095, again, this was the recent high before we went we pulled back from 1095 back here in October back to 1015 and then resumed to a new high. But now we've broken below this 1095 high. So again, until the bull, there's really no reason to be a bull here, except for some type of snapback to that 1095. We couldn't close over it last week. That really made it about 8 or 9 days in a row that we couldn't do that, or excuse me, 4 or 5 days in a row that we couldn't do that. So we're back to battling this 1095, although we ticked over it once or twice during the week. We could not close over it. So very bearish for this market. Again, right now you want to be a seller of rallies. The context has changed here in the market. So that's where we are. Again, the pivot this morning somewhere down there around 1072, and we are above that, looking bullish on the short-term day trade charts to begin with. And here again is a 2-day from yesterday. We opened right around 1068 and have gone nowhere but up from the open Sunday session at 3 p.m. here on the West Coast. And that is it. So again, gold's up, euro is up, oil's up. All assets move together right now. We're back into that mode, but they're moving downward generally. Oil again is up this morning, and gold is trading up higher, trading at 1090. So gold's up significantly. It got down to about 1072 or so. So that's up big. But again, all these things can be sold. I think any rally in gold is just a perfect place to sell. And again, we're already 20 points off. So you can probably begin to start selling this. So that is it. Again, 1077, let's call it, on the SPOOs. Look for that 1090 area to sell if we were able to get up there again. Big fat selling opportunity again on Monday, as long as we don't close over 1095. So that is it. Have a great day. Peace, and be careful out there.